Welcome to a closer look at precision cardboard processing. This machine is engineered to transform flat sheets into perfectly formed packaging and prototypes. First, watch as the creasing wheel glides across the surface. This wheel applies precise pressure, creating crisp, clean fold lines. These creases are essential, ensuring that, when the cardboard is folded, it forms sharp, accurate edges every time, without tearing or wrinkling. Next, the innovative oscillating knife takes over. Unlike a static blade, this knife rapidly vibrates as it moves, allowing it to effortlessly slice through the cardboard with incredible accuracy. Whether it's intricate curves or straight lines, the oscillating motion ensures a smooth, clean cut, even on thicker materials. Together, the creasing wheel and oscillating knife deliver unparalleled efficiency and precision. This advanced technology ensures your cardboard components are perfectly creased for easy folding and precisely cut for a flawless finish, making your production process faster and more reliable.